Which nail strengthener is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1. Onyx Professional Hard as Hoof, Coconut. The Onyx Professional Hard as Hoof Nail Strengthening Cream in Island Coconut Scent. At $12.99, this cream caught my eye with its promises of stronger, healthier nails. If you want a nourishing solution that can repair damage and condition your cuticles, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cream is infused with vitamins and emollients that deeply penetrate your nails, helping to repair damage caused by acrylics and gels. It's designed to stop splits, chips, and cracks, which is ideal if you've been struggling with brittle nails. Plus, it absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue, so you can use it throughout the day without feeling sticky. With over 20,000 units sold in the past month, it seems like many others trust it too. Now, some people complained about the scent being too strong. Here's the thing though, if you prefer unscented products, you might want to skip this one. But if you can get past the scent, this cream has a lot to offer. This is perfect for you if you frequently deal with nail damage from gels or acrylics. Skip this one if you're sensitive to scents or prefer a lighter application method. For $12.99, it's a solid investment in your nail health. Now, if the scent is a deal breaker for you, the next product might be exactly what you need.
Product number 2, Onyx Professional Hard as Hoof Unscented. The Onyx Professional Hard as Hoof Nail Strengthening Cream Unscented. Also priced at $12.99. This caught my attention because it offers the same tried and true formula without the fragrance. If you want effective nail repair without any added scents, this is worth checking out. The unscented cream is designed to strengthen and condition your nails and cuticles without overpowering scents. It uses the same rich blend of vitamins and minerals to penetrate and nourish your nails, promoting growth and preventing damage. If you're someone who frequently experiences splits and cracks, this cream could be your new go-to. Its effectiveness is backed by many users, as it's been popular for over 25 years. However, some users mention that the cream can feel a bit thick. Now, here's my take. If you're looking for something lightweight, that might be a downside. But for those who want a heavy-duty solution, this thickness could actually be beneficial. This is perfect for you if you want a strong nail treatment without added scents. Skip this if you prefer something lighter or more easily absorbed. For its price, it really delivers on its promises. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for on-the-go use.
Product number 3. Bliss Kiss Nail Oil Pen. The Bliss Kiss Nail Oil Cuticle Pen is next. I was drawn to its convenient design and the promise of fast-absorbing hydration. If you're looking for a quick and easy application to keep your nails healthy, this one's a great choice. This nail oil is enriched with jojoba oil and vitamin E, which work together to condition your nails and keep your cuticles smooth. The pen design allows for precise application, which is fantastic when you're on the go or want to avoid spills. It's perfect for daily nail care, especially if you wash your hands often or use hand sanitizers. Plus, it helps maintain the flexibility of your nails, so they're less likely to break. However, some users found that the pen can run out of product fairly quickly. Here's the thing. If you're someone who uses nail oil regularly, you might find you need to repurchase more often. But if you're looking for convenience, this product makes it easier to maintain healthy nails. This is perfect for you if you need a portable solution to keep your nails hydrated. Skip this if you're looking for a more intensive treatment. For $8.99, it's a good addition to your nail care routine. Now, if you like the idea of a gel formula, the next product might catch your eye.
Product number 4, Moravan Nail Strengthener. We have the Moravan Nail Strengthener and Growth at $7.99. I was intrigued by its milky white formula and the promise of fast results. If you're dealing with damaged nails from gels or acrylics, this one could be a game changer. This nail polish hardener features a new keratin and calcium formula that targets brittle and peeling nails. It claims to enhance nail thickness within just 7 days, which is pretty impressive. It also doubles as a ridge filler, smoothing out imperfections and protecting against everyday wear and tear. With 8 kinds of vitamins in the mix, this product works to moisturize and repair your nails, helping them grow strong and healthy. On the downside, some users mentioned the drying time could be longer than expected. But honestly, if you're looking for a product that offers long-term benefits, the wait might be worth it. This is perfect for you if you're serious about repairing damaged nails. Skip this if you need something that dries instantly. For $7.99, it's an affordable solution for nail health. Now, if you're looking for something that does it all in one bottle, the last product might just be what you're looking for.
Product number 5, Savaland 3-in-1 Nail Strengthener. We have the Savaland 3-in-1 Base and Top Coat and Nail Strengthener, priced at $7.59. I was really impressed by its multifunctional capabilities. If you want something that can strengthen your nails while also serving as a base and top coat, this is definitely worth considering. This polish not only strengthens weak nails, but also provides a glossy finish that lasts. It dries quickly in just 1 to 2 minutes without needing UV light, which makes it super convenient for at-home manicures. The nourishing ingredients like hydrolyzed keratin and castor oil ensure your nails stay healthy and strong while looking great. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's gaining popularity for a reason. However, some users did mention it can chip easily. But here's the thing. If you're careful with your hands, you might not run into this issue. Plus, the convenience of having 3 products in one is a significant advantage. This is perfect for you if you want a streamlined nail care routine. Skip this if you need something extremely durable. For $7.59, it packs a lot of value in one bottle.
So, to wrap it up, we've got the Onyx Professional Hard as Hoof in coconut and unscented, both excellent for deep nourishment. The Bliss Case Nail Oil Pen offers convenience, while the Moravan Nail Strengthener delivers impressive results for damaged nails. Finally, the Savaland 3-in-1 is perfect for those looking to simplify their routine. Each has its unique benefits, so choose what fits your needs best.